Welcome to OT Pro Academy, your go-to resource for caregiver education. Today, we'll cover a crucial skill, how to safely transfer a client into a wheelchair. This step-by-step guide will help ensure the safety and comfort of both you and your client during the transfer process. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and resources. Let's get started. The first step in any safe transfer is preparation. Assess the client's readiness. It's essential to understand their mobility and physical condition. Always consult with the client's healthcare team to ensure they are safe to transfer. Next, gather all necessary equipment. Ensure the wheelchair is in good condition with brakes that lock and all components intact. Have a gait belt ready and, if needed, the client's mobility aid like a walker. Lastly, clear the area of any obstacles to create enough space for the transfer. Communication is key. Use simple and clear instructions to explain each step of the transfer process to the client. Encourage their participation to promote independence. Position the wheelchair close to the client, facing parallel to the bed at a 20 to 40 degree angle. This allows enough space for the transfer. Remember to lock the wheelchair brakes. Place the gait belt around the client's waist securely. Stand in front of the client, slightly bend your knees, and keep your back straight. Hold the belt firmly. If you don't have a gait belt, secure your arm under the client's shoulder and the other hand on their hip. On a count of 3, assist the client to stand by guiding their hips forward. Use your legs, not your back, to lift. Pivot towards the wheelchair and encourage the client to take small steps, turning their back towards the wheelchair seat. Once the client's lower legs are against the wheelchair seat, have them place their hands on the armrest and sit down gently. Place the client's feet on the footrest and ensure they are comfortable. Scoot them back to prevent sliding forward. Practicing this transfer with the client can build their confidence and your proficiency. Remember, always check the client's readiness and set up the environment properly to reduce the risk of falls. Practice safe body mechanics to prevent injury to yourself. For more detailed advice and specific recommendations, consult with healthcare professionals like doctors, physical therapists, and occupational therapists. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment below with any questions and share it with others who might benefit. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and visit OT Pro Academy for more resources.